He's lost in the maze. Help him find his friend. Pause if needed. You did it. Thanks for bringing them together. Guide him to his buddy. No rush. Pause anytime. Reunited. Thanks for helping. This buddy's sad. Lead him through. Pause if you need. Great job. You made them smile again. He's trapped. Can you reunite him with his pal? Feel free to pause. They're back together. Thanks to you. Help him reach his bestie. Pause when needed. Success. Friendship wins. Thank you. Help this cutie escape the maze. No timer. Pause freely. You did it. They're so happy now. He needs you. Get him to the other side. Pause if needed. Puzzle solved. Thanks for helping them meet. Two friends, one maze. Can you reunite them? Pause anytime. Well done. You brought them back. He's missing his friend. Guide him through. Pause if you like. Nice work. Thanks for your help. Friendship challenge. Navigate the maze. Pause when you want. Maze complete. Thanks for making it happen. Help him reach his buddy. Take your time. Pause if needed. Great work. You brought joy to both. Help him. No rush. Pause anytime. You made it happen. Thank you. Can you cheer him up with a path? Pause freely. You saved the day. Thanks. Guide him to the hug. Pause as you wish. Perfect. They're together again. Thank you. One hug away and help him find the way. You can pause. So sweet. Thanks for solving the maze. Guide him right. Pause if needed. All good now. Thanks to you. Dead ends everywhere. Can you help him? Pause when stuck. Maze complete. Thank you. Reunite these cuties. Pause if needed. Together again. Thanks for helping. Let's get him to his friend. Feel free to pause anytime. Friends reunited. You did that. Get him there safely. You can pause. Awesome job. They're smiling again. Can you pass this friendship test? Pause if needed. Thanks for reuniting them. Help him across. Pause if you like. They're together now, thanks to you. Blocked by walls, help him reach his buddy. Pause anytime. Nice work. You brought joy today.